Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this natural glam look that you guys see right here in front of your face. This is very Kim K, Kylie Jenner inspired everyday natural glam. I'll go ahead and insert some pictures probably later on in the video that I'm getting my inspo from, but they just have this very natural, subtle, low-key light flex, you know, that just accentuates all of your features. So that is kind of what I tried to go for today. So yeah, I'm not gonna say too much more. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up down below if you're ready to see this look. And yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then just please keep on watching. So I already went ahead and did my eyebrows. I also went for a more natural look. Also, my eyebrows have been growing out a lot this quarantine, so it was super easy to fill them in. And I kind of like them, so I think I'm going to do them like this all the time. I'm usually always trying to like find ways to make my eyebrows look more natural because they're so thick and like dark that they can look just very harsh. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and carve them out with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. So now I'm actually going to mix two foundations together, and I'm going to be mixing the Frankie Rose Matte Perfection Foundation and the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Foundation. And I'm going to be using mostly this one because I feel like it's more of a natural finish as opposed to the Frankie Rose one. But the Frankie Rose one just gives you like that filter look, so that's what I want. But like low-key, you know? Which one do you guys think is lighter? This one, right? Well, it actually has more of like a golden, like yellow undertone. And this one is olive, you know, so it's like a green undertone, right? Foundation. I'm just going to blend that in with a brush. I'm gonna contour my cheeks now, but I'm actually gonna try to mostly use cream contour for today's look. Since it is more everyday type, I'm just kind of thinking like what's easy, quick, efficient, and for it to still look natural, you know, or like not natural, but like simple, like a light, a subtle, that's the word, subtle flex. See, and I already brought a lot of warmth to my forehead without even using any bronzer, you know. And I'm just like right here flicking up with my brush, softly blending it in circles. Now I'm going to go in and highlight my base with concealer. So, oh my gosh, my lips are so chapped. I'm going to be taking the KKW medium highlighter, and I'm just going to be applying a good amount right under my eyes just because I do have eye bags right now and I want that spot to be really bright once I go over with concealer. So I'm getting right here in the corner and then all under the eye bags. Oh my gosh, you guys, I need to get my hair done so bad. Urgent. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my concealer and I'm going in with the Too Faced Born This Way again. And I'm just going to be applying a little bit right here on the inner part of my eye, a slightest bit right on the outer corner, and then right around the nose, and just a teeny bit right there. I'm going in very lightly with this because this is a thick applicator and it does apply a lot right off top. So I already went in with a highlighter, so it is not that necessary for the look that we're going for. And I just put some on my chin. I forgot to blend out under here. Now I'm just going to set my under eyes with this e.l.f. setting powder. I'm just gonna kind of like lightly set all the rest of my face. Just kind of like around my mouth, a little bit. If I was going to work or school, I would set my forehead. I remember I used to do that. So since I already contoured with the cream contour, I'm just gonna lightly go over that with a little bit of bronzer, and I'm just gonna focus it here in this outer area just to kind of fill in any maybe like sparse areas that the cream contour missed. So we didn't bake for too long. I'm just gonna dust this off. And then I'm just gonna go over my nose with the remaining amount. For blush, I'm gonna be using this NYX Lollipop Hot Blush. And I'm just gonna put that on the apples of my cheeks and blend it into the contour. I'm going to just take my bronzer and just pop that in the crease and like kind of like all over my lid, just to add like some definition and warmth into the eye, because I did have the concealer. So I'm just kind of like blending everything into each other throughout my face. It looks pretty beat, if you ask me. So I'm going in with a brown liner and I'm just going to outline. Create a wing, just like how I did on this side. And I'm not even bringing it all the way to the inner part of my eye. I'm just kind of leaving it halfway. Guys, I was watching that show Society. It was freaking good. It was pretty good. I want season 2 to come already. Okay, imagine like your town exactly the same, but there was no people there when they got back to them. They didn't have like communication, no Wi-Fi, like nothing. And they had to freaking survive on their own, like for a whole, I don't know, season. It's pretty late. You guys should watch it on Netflix. I've literally been craving cake for so long. I want cake so bad. So bad. Just give me some cake. I'm gonna put on some mascara. Like if I were to just be wearing this look with just mascara, I'm gonna be going in with the Maybelline, the Falsies Volume Express, the purple one. That's how I know their names. Guys, hear my puppy. It's literally the worst ever. Like I hear him crying, it makes me so sad. But then at the same time, like, what the heck? I need to do some stuff. What does he expect? My dog has just been on another level lately, and I'm glad because it means that he's getting like way more comfortable with us. But at the same time, I'm just like, tone it down, you know? I'm just kidding, he can do whatever he wants. I'm pretty sure this is deadass how I used to do my makeup for like high school. I would always be coming up with like different natural glam looks, honestly. I'm going to move on to my lips so that way I can finish this look and show you guys how it would look with mascara and then just like pop on my eyelashes. So I'm going to go in with my eyeliner in light brown because this is not a lip pencil, but I'm sure you can find a lip pencil this color. Low-key, I think it might stay on longer because it's an eyeliner. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in Bombshell. And this is just a very natural pouty color. Oh my god, that freaking lipstick smells like Tutti Frutti Raspa. Do you guys know what that is? Comment down below if you guys know what Tutti Frutti Raspa, what a Tutti Frutti Raspa is. That flavor is so bomb, and this lipstick smells exactly, oh my god, like it. Now that I have that color on, I'm actually gonna go in with Kylie in Bare, and I'm just concentrating this in the center of the lip. This is gonna bring some dimension back to the lips and make them look really big. Yes, this is exactly the color that I wanted for today's look, because I just wanted to look like, you know, big juicy lips, big juicy pouty lips, because that's how usually Kylie Jenner's lips look. Very pouty, very pink, all face, no breaks. This is the final result if you want to just, you know, pair this look with eyelashes. I'm of course going to add some falsies just because I like to just be dramatic like that. Okay, you guys, so I actually went with a small, very, very small lash. I don't know if you guys could tell. It almost looks like I'm not even wearing eyelashes because this could actually just be like somebody's natural eyelashes. But I just kind of applied them because I had eyelash glue on the tops of my eyelashes and I didn't want to bother taking it off. And I just wanted my lash line to look very dark for the pictures that I'm going to take. This is the final result. This is a natural glam look, perfect for everyday type of look, perfect for school, for work, mom life, wife life, baddie life, whatever lifestyle and everyday routine you have, this could definitely be for that. You could even honestly wear this to the gym. When you guys are going to record your videos at the gym, this is the look. So this is a very Kim K, Kylie Jenner inspired look. I'll go ahead and like insert a picture here of like how their makeup usually looks that resembles this, which is where I got my inspo from, if I don't already have that in the thumbnail. If you guys like this look and you want me to keep making more videos just like these, then go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe down below. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every single time I post a new video. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I've been low-key consistent because, you know, we're bored and why not? Why not be consistent when you're bored? I have a lot of fun making these videos for you guys. I feel like it also helps me practice on my makeup skills a lot more and just like get to know myself and really just do some different type of looks for you guys. So yeah, if you guys want to see different types of looks, just comment them below or DM me. I always ask for suggestions on Instagram with the little polls. So I'll go ahead and also tag all my info below for my social media. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I haven't been doing TikToks because I hurt my knee and I've been resting. I also haven't been working out because of my knee. So I'll probably have a vlog for you guys soon about how I hurt my knee. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video.